Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Windows 10 computer without having to enter your password every time your computer restarts. Before starting the video, let me tell you that this tutorial is not about how to reset your password if you forgot it. This guide is only for those who already know their password and want to avoid typing it every time. So let's get started step by step. Log into your computer as you normally would by entering your password. Once you're on the desktop, click on the Start menu and type User Accounts. Select the result that says Add, Edit, or Remove Other People under System Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Sign In Options. Under Require Sign In, you'll see, if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Change this setting to Never. Now, close that window and go back to the Start menu again. This time, type netplwiz. Click the result to open the User Accounts window. In the window that appears, you'll see a checkbox that says, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck that box. Click Apply. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your current password once to confirm the change. Type your password and click OK. Click OK again to close the User Accounts window. Now, go ahead and restart your computer. You'll notice that Windows automatically logs you in, no password needed. That's it. I hope this quick tutorial helped you successfully remove the login password prompt from Windows 10. If it did, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.